Ever wondered if you could shape reality with the power of your mind and spirit? Within you lies an untapped reservoir of energy capable of transforming your life. Discover ancient secrets and practical techniques to harness your energy, elevate your consciousness, and bring your dreams to life. In every culture, whispers of an invisible force have persisted through time, a vital energy coursing through us and the world around us. Known as Qi in Chinese traditions, prana in India, and the etheric current in occult practices, this life force forms the foundation of existence itself. Mystics, philosophers, and healers have long believed that mastering this energy could unlock extraordinary potential, clarity of thought, emotional harmony, physical vitality, and even the power to manifest our desires. But this isn't just an ancient belief. Modern science now acknowledges energy fields and frequencies, reinforcing what our ancestors intuited. By learning to harness this force within, you can align your mind, body, and spirit, becoming an active creator of your reality. In this video guide, we'll explore the art of energy mastery through awareness, control, and intention to help you unlock a vibrant, fulfilling life. Energy surrounds us, exists within us, and flows through every facet of our lives. Yet most of us remain unaware of its impact. Let's start by breaking down this concept. Vital energy isn't a myth or metaphor. It's the invisible foundation of existence. Ancient wisdom refers to this life force by many names: Qi in Chinese medicine, prana in Hindu yoga, pneuma in Greek philosophy, and orgone energy in modern metaphysics. While terms differ, they all point to the same fundamental principle: life depends on energy. For example, Qigong practitioners focus on balancing their Qi to achieve physical health and mental clarity. Similarly, Hermetic teachings describe an energy field, the aura, that surrounds every living being, connecting us to a larger universal flow. But how does this apply to us practically? Energy determines how we feel, think, and act. Stagnant energy can leave us fatigued, anxious, or uninspired, while a free-flowing energy field fosters creativity, resilience, and joy. When you understand this, you'll start seeing your life differently. Your emotions, relationships, and even the outcomes you experience are all shaped by this flow. Mastering your energy doesn't require years of training. With focus and consistency, you can learn to sense and direct your vital force. I'll show you these beginner-friendly practices. Body scanning. Sit quietly and close your eyes. Bring your attention to the top of your head and slowly scan down your body, noticing any sensations: warmth, tingling, tension, or heaviness. This builds awareness of how energy manifests physically. Controlled breathing. Breathing connects the mind and body. Ancient practices like pranayama or breath of fire help regulate energy flow. Start with deep, diaphragmatic breaths. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This clears blockages and calms the mind. Visualization. Visualize energy as a glowing light within you. Imagine it expanding, filling your body, then radiating outward like a sunbeam. This exercise strengthens your ability to focus and channel energy purposefully. Energy cleansing ritual. Negative environments or emotions can create energetic buildup. Simple rituals like smudging with sage, bathing in salt water, or meditating under the moonlight can cleanse and reset your energy field. Grounding. Spend time barefoot on grass or soil. This practice, rooted in both science and spirituality, helps release excess energy and realign your body's natural rhythm with the earth. Energy is deeply tied to emotions. After all, emotions are energy in motion. Positive emotions like gratitude, love, and joy amplify your energy field, creating a harmonious flow. Conversely, emotions like fear, anger, and guilt act as blockages, trapping energy and causing physical or mental discomfort. For example, have you noticed how uplifting it feels to express gratitude? It's not just a psychological effect. Gratitude raises your energy vibration. Similarly, feelings of love and compassion strengthen your energetic core, allowing you to radiate positivity. But what about negative emotions? While it's natural to feel them, it's essential not to dwell on them. Techniques like journaling, EFT tapping, or deep breathing can help release these emotions, ensuring they don't fester into energetic blockages. An easy practice is this. When you're feeling low, place your hands over your heart, close your eyes, and breathe deeply. As you inhale, imagine yourself drawing in light and warmth. As you exhale, imagine releasing heaviness or tension. Over time, you'll notice a shift, both in your mood and your energy levels. One of the most exciting aspects of energy mastery is its role in manifestation. Ancient teachings and modern quantum theories agree on this. Energy follows focus. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions, you create a magnetic field that draws your desires closer. The law of correspondence, as above, so below, reminds us that the energy we project is mirrored by the universe. If your inner world is chaotic, your outer world will reflect that. However, when your energy vibrates in harmony with your goals, the universe responds in kind. Step 1. Set a clear intention. Manifestation begins with clarity. The universe responds best to a well-defined desire, so take time to articulate exactly what you want. Whether you're seeking a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or personal transformation, be as specific as possible. Write it down in detail, using present tense language as if it has already come true. Say it aloud with confidence, allowing the words to resonate with your energy. Visualize your goal vividly, see it, feel it, and immerse yourself in the experience. The clearer your intention, the stronger the energetic pull toward making it a reality. Step 2. Feel the emotion. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestation. They amplify your intention and align your energy with what you desire. Ask yourself, how will achieving this goal make you feel? Will it bring you joy, excitement, peace, or fulfillment? Instead of waiting for the manifestation to happen, generate those emotions now. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the feeling of already having what you seek. Let gratitude, happiness, and certainty fill your heart. The more intensely you embody these emotions, the more powerfully you attract your desires into reality. Step 3. Take aligned action. Manifestation isn't just about wishing. It's a co-creation between you and the universe. Once you've set your intention and embrace the emotions, take inspired action that aligns with your desires. Want financial abundance? Start budgeting, investing, and exploring new opportunities. Seeking love? Open your heart, engage in meaningful conversations, and embody the qualities of the partner you wish to attract. Every small step you take sends a signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. When action and intention work together, you create momentum, bridging the gap between your dreams and reality. Step 4. Trust the process. The final, and often most challenging step, is surrender. Let go of the need to control how and when your desire will manifest. Trust that the universe is orchestrating everything in perfect timing. Energy moves in unseen ways, aligning people, opportunities, and circumstances for your highest good. Stay patient, stay aligned, and release any doubts or desperation. Instead of obsessing over the outcome, focus on maintaining your belief and continuing to take inspired action. When you trust the process, you create space for miracles to unfold in ways even greater than you imagined. Mastering your energy isn't about becoming a different person. It's about uncovering the limitless potential already within you. By understanding the principles of energy, practicing awareness, and aligning your emotions with your intentions, you can create a life filled with balance, purpose, and joy. This journey isn't reserved for mystics or experts. It's a path anyone can walk, regardless of age, background, or beliefs. Each small step, whether it's breathing mindfully, grounding your body, or focusing on gratitude, builds toward profound transformation. Remember, energy is the language of the universe. When you learn to speak it fluently, you're not just living, you're thriving. Let this guide serve as your starting point to unlock the power within and manifest a reality that reflects your deepest desires.